Hello friends, Xiaomi has released the February security patch update for the MiA1 devices. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to get this update if you haven't got this via OTA. So if you haven't got the OTA update yet, what you have to do is go to settings and go to apps and go to app info and search for the app Google Play Services. So you can scroll down and once you find Google Play Services, just tap on it and just scroll down and you will see something called app details. Click on that and the app will open in Google Play Store. Then slide down. So once you slide down, you will see something called become a beta tester and click I am in. So the beta sign-in process will take some time, at least like 30 to 40 minutes. So once that is complete, you will see an update. You can just update the application. So once update is complete, what you have to do is just restart your phone, and once you restart the phone, go to the updater app and check for the update. Then you will definitely get the OTA update. So regarding the update, there is no UI changes or any other changes which I can notice right now. Regarding the battery update, I will make a dedicated video after I use it for 3 to 4 days. So please stay tuned until then to our channel. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.